Last time, I showed y'all how I pulled in $1,000 on Uber Eats. But what happened after that? Let's just say, I didn't expect what came next. My earnings went way past what I thought was even possible. And the way it happened might surprise you. Let's break it down. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, AD, back at it with another one. Welcome back to the channel, Miles and Money, where we talk about everything miles and money. Hit the like and subscribe button below, because I already know you're going to like this. But before we get into the video, let's do a delivery. First up, I got a $25 4-mile Spark delivery. It's a shop order. Should take about 25 minutes. It's about 10 items. Gonna go ahead, knock it out, and get back into the video. Let's go. Just pulling up to the Walmart right now. Let's go in and do the shop order. Like I said, it should take about 25 minutes, 10 items. Let's go ahead and knock this order out, deliver it, get back to the video. Now, if you haven't caught part one, the $1,000 breakdown, go watch it after this. But today, we're talking about the unexpected twist that came next. Let's get into it. Here's the first surprise. I thought lunch and dinner were the only real money makers. Nah, the late night rush turned out to be a gold mine. Between 10 p.m. and 1 a.m., orders were flying in. Bars were closing. People hungry, no one wants to cook. It was back to back to back. I cheered near a Taco Bell and a couple 24-hour spots. In less than an hour, I made $65. What's the lesson here? Don't just chase the obvious spots. Every city has hidden money hours. Find yours and your bread will increase. The second shift in my game was how I looked at orders. Instead of just looking at payout, I started judging every trip by dollar per mile. $8 for 2 miles? Yes. 12 for 7? Hell no. That trip eats time and eats gas. Kills momentum. Once I applied this rule, my hourly rate shot up. I wasn't just making more money, I was doing it faster and cheaper. So depending on your market, make sure you use the dollar cost per mile ratio when accepting orders. Here's where things got crazy. One $10 order turned into $25 because I did 3 simple things. Number 1, sent a quick text update. Most people like to be updated when their orders is delayed. Number 2, smiled and greeted the customer at the door. Self-explanatory. And number 3, I treated the food like it was mine. See, some people tip based on how much you care. And when your rating goes up, Uber starts sending you better orders. Customer service isn't just about being nice. That is absolutely a money hack to begin with. If you're nice to people, people tend to take care of you. So just go the extra mile, the extra step, and your money will increase. Let's try that. If you're getting value from this video, like, comment, and subscribe. If you would like to support the channel further, click the links down below. buy me a coffee. Another way I was able to double my money on Uber Eats was avoiding money traps. One of the biggest mistakes I made before was choosing orders that look good on surface. $15 sounds nice until you realize it's 40 minutes across town. That's a money trap. The difference this time was discipline. I learned to say no fast. If it doesn't hit the dollar cost per mile standard, I swipe left. Next, don't want to take those orders. Y'all want to know what my biggest upgrade was? Smart scheduling. That was my biggest upgrade that I made to increase my earnings. I changed the way I was scheduling time to work. This was the biggest upgrade. Instead of just turning on the apps whenever, I started scheduling blocks. Lunch, 11 to 2, dinner, 5 to 9, late night, 10 to 1, and yes, even morning rushes, 7 to 9. You'd be surprised how many people are ordering coffee, breakfast burritos, or those last-minute bagels before work. By stacking my weeks into these money blocks, I hit the busiest hours without burning out. That's how I pushed past $1,000. That's how I doubled my bread. So here's the recap. Late night rush is gold mine. Judge orders by dollar per mile. That's how you gotta judge them. Good service equals bigger tips plus better orders. Avoid money traps. Schedule your blocks accordingly if you want to make money. That's the formula that took me way past $1,000. If you found value in this, drop your biggest takeaway in the comments. And if you haven't already, go watch part 1 where this journey started. And if you have any tips that you can provide about your market and how you're maximizing your earnings, leave a comment in the comment section. I'm sure people can use some insight. We can all help each other here because we all trying to make some money. So leave a comment in the comment section if you have any ideas or insight that can help benefit any drivers around the country that are trying to make money on Uber Eats and maximize their earnings in this gig economy. This is your boy AD signing out. Until next time, peace out.